beginning of the Illinois State Police working to ensure travelers' safety. CLTV is providing you complete coverage of the blizzard of 2011. We'll have live coverage beginning Wednesday morning at 3 a.m., continuing throughout the day right here on CLTV.
Yeah, my car is supposed to be over there, but I can hardly see my car. Can't even see the condos across there.
Moderate to heavy snow, strong wind gusts out of the northeast, and visibility down to a quarter of a mile. We're under a blizzard warning until 3 p.m. Wednesday. I'll give you the details of how much snow we're going to get coming up next.
Yeah, there's a light pole out there. Oh look, there's someone actually running out there. Trying to fix their car, trying to fix the blades. Here they are running.
Oh my goodness.
You saw that his wiper blades were up and they were going to flop down.
Blow off? I know.
Yeah.
That's insane. Yeah, I was just looking on Facebook and they were saying that a lot of people's lights are flickering. Like they're about to lose power. Oh, I hope our power stays on.
Yep, so do I.
That's not good. Not good, not good.
So right about here is where my car is supposed to be. As you can see, you can't see it.
Just wait until we wake up tomorrow morning.
Yeah. I was just out there recently and it was up to my knees to snow, so it's deep. Yeah. How's those wind chimes going? Might have to get some new ones after this. We'll make another one in the morning when you can see better.